Oh, good.
New York Times. Oh, Steve Jobs' 1973 job application auctions for a record amount.
So this application has been passed around in auctions, but this one seems to be like bought with the highest in terms
I feel
of,
like I've seen this thing.
we talked about it too.
So the person who bought it the last time around has already re-auctioned it.
Yeah.
That's incredible. For even more, they've made a profit.
And now there's an NFT version of it.
Of course, there is.
Which sold for $23,000 US.
An NFT version of it, so it's not.
It's a digitized version.
Yeah. I got you. So he paid $222,000 and has already flipped it for $343.
Mm-hmm.
The latest auction took place online, closed Wednesday, July 28th. Jobs filled out the one-page application by hand when he was 18 years old, 3 years before he co-founded Apple with friend Steve Wozniak and tech businessman Ronald Wayne. The position that he was seeking isn't shown on the form, but considering what he went on to do and the fact that the application lists electronics tech and design engineer as special abilities and interests along with computer and calculator for experience, we can assume it was tech-related job that he was applying for. It's filled out in pen. Look at the writing as well. Is that cursive?
Yes, it's cursive.
That's incredible.
A rarity nowadays.
That's incredible. Cool. It's a lot of money for a piece of paper, but hey, man, there's never going to be another one. Not quite like that, right?
Yeah.